Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel Smart Index Edge. Today, I've upgraded the indicator with certain features considering all the parameters in the market structure. So, this is powerful all-in-one trading indicator. It has been designed for beginners and also experienced traders. This powerful indicator combines multiple advanced market tools into a single, easy to use package. It will help all the people, whoever who doesn't have any premium membership in the trading on the trading view, they can access multiple combo of indicators. These are advanced market tools, which is well crafted with so much of research to enable for the intraday trading as well as the swing positional trade too. It has been designed to help both beginners and experienced traders make smarter decisions with confidence. That is very, very important. Yes, traders, you heard it right. You have to make a smarter decision with confidence. That is most important. If you don't have confidence, even the good trade will turn into a bad trade. Here, this is the combo of Gann, HiLo, and rolling pivots combo. This identifies strong support and resistance levels and trending zones instantly. This has been made already, but this indicator has been upgraded with certain other features. The NR4 and NR5 contraction detection has been added for this indicator to spot early consolidation phases to catch breakout moves before the crowd or breakdown moves before the crowd. That is very, very important. Sometimes traders tend to make mistake in this narrow consolidation phase. Market will be directionless. You will not be knowing which direction market will move. But my indicator tells you to stay on the trade. So NR4 and NR5 contraction detection is included in this. Automatically, it will plot the candle colors in this. It will recognize the narrow range candles and it indicates that contraction phase is beginning so that you will be alerted and you will be prepared for that. And even it also helps in your entry. So what you get with this indicator is Gann HiLo rolling pivots combo, which spots strong support and resistance and trending zones instantly. NR4, NR5 contraction detection, catch early consolidation phases and breakout opportunities. And also I will make you the video to get the stock, how to get the stocks, high capital efficiency stock picks. Focus on those stocks that maximum returns without trying up too much capital. And also it gives exclusive buy and sell signals. These are clear alerts for intraday and swing trades. That is very, very important. These buy and signals, bar by bar, they stay behind you. Even you will not get frightened by the red candles, alternate red and green candles. Suppose if the buying is still intact, red candle will threaten you, you will get out of the trade prematurely. That will not happen in this while using this indicator. And premature selling you will not take in this with this indicator. You will get clear alerts for intraday and swing trades. Big bar and imbalance price alerts. This is also included. Big bar alert is very, very important. People tend to enter into the hurriedly with the FOMO. They will hurriedly try to enter into the trade, get caught, and they will not stay in the trade because next candle will start um, uh, will start coming down or plotting red candle, then your psychology will get affected. So when you get this alert, you will wait actually. It will make you to wait for the discount and to take the trade. And if it is within the buy zone, you are comfortable to enter into the trade. That is the beauty of this. Identify high probability moves and liquidity gaps all in one dashboard. Simplified analysis. A analyst is sitting behind you and telling you, even if you take the tips, no tips will come instantly. By the time you get the tips, everything will be over. Here, this is the back to back tip which gives you this indicator will support you in your trade. No clutter, clear insights. This is what you are going to get if you access this indicator. This is a live example of the Bitcoin. Just I took the screenshot to show you how this indicator works. You can see over here in this, you are getting the entry over here in the Bitcoin, and it is a sell entry. Morning sell entry. You can see the time over here, 6 a.m. From the 6 a.m., from the starting, you know where to sit on the trade. Where is your trade? It is on the downside. So you are seeing sell, sell, sell candles, and even though there are green candles, no alert is given as a buy. And blue color candle indicates that consolidation has started. This price is going to go sideways and the sell trend continues. This is the screenshot I took and I'm posting it to you to show that. Here you can see big bar alert can be seen by plotting BB over here, big block, and SS will be plotted for the big bar sell alert. You can see sell candle over here, big bar alert. So this is how, see, after the big bar sell, the market has gone sideways. You can see the violet color bars forming, that it is indicating consolidation. You wait for the entry, it says. You are not going to make any mistake. You are not going to think it as a reversal and enter into the wrong trade. This is what needed for an trader, intraday trader, not doing mistake. An exclusive hourly trade, an exclusive hourly trading strategy will be revealed to those only to those who gain access. This powerful setup is explained in a special video made just for you, showing how to catch high probability trades with precision. Even in this indicator, timestamps are also included to get to know when, at what time the entry will be materialized, and you can prepare yourself with this strategy I'm going to tell. And even in the indicator, timestamps are also included in this. Unlock access today and get this hidden edge that others will never know. It is a secret hourly strategy will be revealed with the exclusive video for those people who access it. Limited access only. High capital efficiency stock picks are also shown in a next video for those people who access that. Exclusive buy and sell signals, clear alerts to guide entry and exit points in both intraday and swing setups are also seen with this indicator. Big bar alerts and imbalance detection is there. So I've explained it to you all in one dashboard. Everything you need to analyze the market in one place without clutter or confusion. Why one time access? Pay once and get full access during the indicator's active period, ideal for traders with short term trading view subscription. Focus on trading and investing. We handle the tools. Actually, tool we will get it, you will get it, and even the free version trader will get a bonanza with the multiple combined actor indicators supporting you the complete market structure. How it works? You have to make the payment, send your trading you username, get invite only access, which is fully protected, code hidden, start trading smarter immediately. This is a limited time offer. One time access guarantees you get full functionality without recurring charges. You will not be charged again. It is not a monthly renewal subscription like that. It is a lifetime access for you people once you pay them. So how you will get the indicator access? Contact my official assistant. His WhatsApp number is given over here, 83750 62010. He will guide you with payment and collect your trading view username. Make the payment by UPI, Paytm or Google Pay. Send payment screenshot as proof. Provide your trading view username required to invite only access. Code only protected. Access will be granted. Username will be added. You will get a confirmation message. Access granted. Start trading smarter. This is one time access offer. No monthly subscription. You need not worry. Once you get the access, it will be with you forever. Only serious buyers can contact. All communications handled through via my assistant. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off. Don't delay, hurry yourself, get the access, trade smartly.